So basically what you're saying is at the end of this, my face is gonna be messed up. Dude, why does it look like, it looks like mud is on my face. I thought I was gonna wake up blind. It was one of the scariest times. And I was on vacation and that happened.
You know what? I forgot to bring primer. You're gonna break out.
I'm gonna break out? For real? What is primer?
Alright, you can put your moisturizer on.
But why am I gonna break out though?
Because if you use makeup without primer, you break out.
Alright, well, make sure I watch to the end of the video to see if my face breaks out or not. Kind of nervous now. Alright, yo guys, so since I deleted all the videos with all the other girls, we talked about it, right? And now it's like, it's fresh and new and I haven't done those videos, right? Right?
Right.
So now I can finally have Rosa doing my makeup. So before this video starts, man, drop a like, and I just want to say thank you for letting us do the video. But yo, Rosa's gonna do my makeup. If y'all don't know who Rosa is, she's kind of like a makeup, I don't know what you...
Makeup artist.
Makeup artist? Okay, there you go, makeup artist. She's really good at makeup here. Show me your makeup real quick.
No, not right now. It looks kind of ugly.
So this is like decent for her, I guess, then. So this is not like the best look.
No, this is not the best at all.
So I feel very confident her doing my makeup. I think I'm gonna look good, I guess.
And I forgot to bring my beauty blender.
Well, those are your challenges then. If you're really a makeup artist, you gotta do it without the primer and without the beauty blender.
I don't know how to do it without the beauty blender.
That's part of being a makeup artist.
No, it's not. I can't do it without the beauty blender.
You're gonna have to use your fingers or something.
How did I forget to bring the beauty blender? Wait, I think I have it in my purse.
Alright, bet. Hopefully. Yo guys, I'm gonna be giving away a hoodie this video. Make sure you watch to the end of the video to learn how to win it. Don't skip any part of the video, watch the full thing. Alright, well, we already started, so you just gotta show them your skills, you know?
I can't do it without a beauty blender.
You can use your fingers, just rub it in.
That's nasty.
Well, wash your hands. Are they not clean?
They are clean, but...
Well, if they're washed, then I trust you. So basically what you're saying is at the end of this, my face is gonna be messed up.
Yeah.
Alright, well yo guys, that's even a more reason to like the video, because my face is gonna be messed up. Please like the video, share it with somebody too, like send it to somebody, tell them, yo, check out this video or something, bro, please.
We're gonna start off with not primer, moisturizer.
Moisturizer?
Yeah.
Okay. Dude, do you have like a headband? I feel like my hair.
I forgot to bring everything, because you were already outside.
Oh, my bad. Does that make you nervous?
Yeah.
Yeah.
His skin is so soft and clear.
For real?
I might.
No, just, don't say that. Just do the challenge, okay? I don't want to think about it. I already forgot about it. But we're gonna use this plastic thing as the...
And you're really white. So
wait, what if you just use one of these towels or something to like...
to blend it in.
I mean... Is it clean? Does it smell clean? Wait, should we use a white one or a black one?
Black one?
Okay.
It doesn't work like that. This is not gonna blend for shit.
Alright, well... You're an artist. Rosa's under pressure, guys.
I am. I have no beauty blender. Okay, come on.
Okay.
Didn't match your shit at all.
For real. Oh, shit.
He's gonna look yellow.
Yo, alright. Well,
this might be your color. What the fuck was that? Yeah, I think it's...
yeah, how do you know my color? What? It's a washroom. You want to leave the door open?
No, it's not someone
Walking?
Yeah.
Are you trying to tell me this place is haunted or somebody's in here?
Yes, somebody's in here. Look.
Alright. See how it comes out.
You're really white.
I know, that's what I was telling you. I know I need sun. I need a tan.
Yeah, honestly, it looks really good.
It looks good?
Should I put any on your forehead or not?
Nah. Damn, this makeup already. Damn.
You can't look at yourself.
I can't look at myself? Why? Yo.
Not shades. You can't look at yourself.
Yo, what the hell? Alright, let's think about your hair. I want to do a poll, alright guys? I want to, just for some feedback, okay? So tell them what you plan on doing with your hair.
Look. It's like ashy blonde right now. I want to do like a red, how do you say that word? Balayage.
Wait, when do you want to go red?
For my birthday.
And then when are you supposed to go black?
In May when I graduate.
Damn. But you've been thinking about it, right? You've been switching it up, like wanting to go black and then red and then black and then red. I think Russia should go black hair, but she wants to go red. I don't know. I feel like that's like a... Dude, why does it look like? It looks like mud is on my face.
Because I don't know your shade.
Alright, it's okay.
I don't know. You need like a lighter shade or a darker shade. Do you think you look white right now or dark?
Bro, it looks like mud. It's like dark. Nah, it really looks like mud on my face. No cap. Maybe we'll do the thumbnail after,
Cause you're really white.
Yeah. No.
Guys, look at me compared to him. This is white as on me. This foundation is white as and it's too dark for you.
I'm just white. I'm light, you know. What do you want for Christmas?
Nothing. I actually don't want nothing.
You don't want anything?
Nope.
There's nothing you want. It don't even have to be like a tangible thing.
I don't even know what that word means.
So like a thing you can touch. Like if you could just have something.
Oh, I just want to be good. You know?
I don't know. But yeah, that. Yo, what is that right there?
Concert?
Oh. Oh, okay.
What do you want for Christmas?
Well, I already told them in the video what I want for Christmas.
Oh yeah.
I need a
don't look.
Oh, sorry. I need a massage. My body's hurting right now. So, yeah, I need a massage.
You just twitched.
Because I'm not used to getting my face, like, beat with the little brush, you know? It's not a very common thing for me. Alright, actually, I have a question. Actually, it's more like advice to people watching. But let me get into it before I ask. How would you give advice to people doing like long distance?
I think they should communicate a lot.
But like how?
Like on phone.
So y'all think y'all should FaceTime every day?
Or not FaceTime, at least call.
Wait, I know.
And patience.
Wait, I have a question.
What?
Have you ever done long distance before? No?
Have you? You have, right?
Not really, bro.
Of course not.
I could just fly out and see them, you know?
Like who, Junior?
Huh?
Like who?
It's not like who, it's just if I'm talking to somebody, I'm blessed enough and I'm that dude enough, you know, I could take the extra oomph and go there, you know? Not a lot of guys can.
Actually, what is your advice though?
My advice on long distance? I think it just depends, bro. Like, I'm a different kind of... It's hard for me to give advice on that topic. Cause like, water in the walls, you know, the pipes and stuff. It's hard for me to give advice on that because like, I'm not really like, I don't want to sound bad, but I haven't really done long distance, you know?
Is this your first time?
I mean, I feel like I'm smart enough to know what to do for it, but yeah, I guess this is my first time.
So what have we done that has kept us together? Talk.
You tell me. You tell me.
I'm asking you.
What have we done? I mean, we FaceTime every day, right? Right, and we text almost every hour.
Yeah. Not every hour.
Not every hour.
Every 2 hours, because he takes really long
Every
time
2 hours. I mean, I feel like the big things that come out here. Right?
So what about the people that can't?
I don't know, that's what I'm saying. Like, if I was in their position, I don't think it could work. How long could you go without seeing me?
I don't know.
How long?
Not too long.
Not too long,
The most we spend apart from each other is like 2 to 3 weeks.
huh? From when we first started talking?
Mm-hmm.
So after 2 weeks is too long?
Yeah.
2 weeks then. Alright, that's a soft spot. That's the cap that the longest y'all should wait before y'all see each other. What about what about like people in college? Like would you still be with somebody if like, say I went to college, right? I mean that's kind of like long distance, but college is a little different because.
Oh, like they leave to another state?
Or not, like say they went to College Station.
Like from here?
Mm-hmm. Would you do that?
Yeah, it's not that far. My ex-best friend's relationship didn't work because she left to college.
Wait, so she broke up with him?
Like they were having problems and they broke up.
Hmm.
Does that hurt?
It just feels weird, you know? I've gotten surgery on my eye, you know, I don't really, it's a sensitive spot. Guys, what do y'all think? Yo, comment below, guys. I think I look crazy, bro. I think I look crazy, what the heck? Wait, let's compare faces real quick. Wait,
We look the same.
yo, somebody commented that on one of the TikToks there, like,
What?
that we look alike. I was like, yo, what? Bro, this is just like dust all over my face. I feel dusty.
Okay, look at me.
I feel like in Miami, we went
Of course you told me. That's all he does every day is talk about Miami.
I'm not gonna lie, I think I bring up Miami every single day. But it's just because it's a memorable place. Like I was always happy there. But like I went with my friends there, I went with my brother there. Like that's how much I was like, yo, y'all gotta come. But we went ATV riding, right? And like you get dust, there's dust everywhere. And that's how I feel, dusty. And then after I went ATV riding, I actually lost my vision. I could not see. My eyes dried out. I couldn't see my phone, bro. I was getting scared because you know I got LASIK. And then
Sorry.
I couldn't see my phone. I couldn't see nothing. I was blind. I had to go to sleep and put in eye drops, and then like 12 hours later I could finally see.
Okay.
I thought I was gonna wake up blind. It was one of the scariest times. And I was on vacation and that happened. So if y'all ever get LASIK, make sure y'all wear goggles or glasses or something.
LASIK?
Mm-hmm.
I think this is helping you look like you don't have mud on your face.
Yeah. Yeah, I definitely do not look like I have mud on my face anymore. It looks a little more natural. What do y'all think? Here's a close-up.
Cute.
Okay, what's next?
Blush.
Blush. Wait, what kind of face do I gotta make? I gotta smile, for real? Okay.
Other side. Cheese.
Cheese. Oh man.
Your face looks really clear. Like I wish this is how my face looked like with makeup. I wish I could see what I'm seeing right now. You know what? I need to do your eyebrows. You want me to do your eyebrows? Just the bottom.
Okay. Whatever you think.
Close your eye.
Wait, what is this?
Concealer.
For me having my eyes closed, I just want
Go to sleep.
to. Jeez.
Okay.
Okay.
Next eyebrow.
Most of the artist.
Okay, now.
Okay, now.
Okay, now we could do lips.
Lips?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. Guys, Rosa does her lips like a lot of times a day. I don't know how many times a day, but a lot of times a day.
You're always taking it off.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. You can just put it back on, right?
There we go.
There we go. Here, let's get close.
Okay.
What the f? It looked like I just ate some.
Some what?
You got my lips are brown.
This sounds creepy as. Did you hear that? Sound like someone up on the fridge. Imagine someone is inside.
Imagine? What would you do?
Call the police.
Call the police, but they're already inside. By the time police come, they're gonna be gone.
What would you do?
What do you think I would do, Rosa?
If you had a gun, I know you would do something.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hell yeah, brother. Take him to the range, boy. Oh, you wanna put on eyelashes?
Yes.
Are you serious?
But-
Yo, let me get close so they can see how I look right now. Yo guys, let me know in the comments, what do y'all think? Yo, I think, yo, I look good as fuck. I look good. Rosa's mom's calling. Her mom is calling.
I forgot the most important thing.
The glue?
Yeah.
Well, it looks like they're not going on, guys. How are they gonna stick? My mocos? Dang it.
You really look so good. Wait, let me see if I have something with me.
Shit, we gonna have to make TikToks after this? Rosa talking about how there's somebody over there and then she just busts out walking like there's nobody there. The hell? I think she just don't like the door closed. Guys, if you don't know, Rosa's scared. She's scared of the door. Maybe I should break them. She hates being in the door.
No lashes.
No lashes. Dang it. Alright.
No lashes.
So what do we gotta do now?
So this is the final look.
This is the final look? Now we're gonna make TikToks?
Now we're gonna make TikToks.
Oh shit. Alright, well.
Good.
If you watched this far in the video, just comment the word rose. Alright, comment rose if you watched the full video. I better see like 500 comments saying that, alright?
Rate my makeup skills.
Rate Rosa's makeup skills with no beauty blender, no eyelashes, what else? No primer. Let me know how she did look. I'm gonna give you a quick close-up.
Bye guys.